Hey, hey. Okay, it's your move of the day. Finally, I'm actually still not supposed to be doing any kind of fitness besides walking until Saturday morning. So I'm going to demonstrate with some 3-pound weights. Just to keep following my doctor's orders. Also, I don't have a great place to put my camera for this, so. Okay, I've been getting requests for arms, abs, and legs. So I thought, why not put them all into one workout, right? Hopefully you'll be able to see with this positioning. Okay, so basically what I want you to do is to step up, curl, a bicep curl at the same time you lift your knee. Step down, take the curl down, lunge back. Step, curl, down, back. Step, curl, down, back. Do 20 on one leg and then switch. Step, curl, down, back. Step, curl, down, back. Do 20 on the other leg. Raise your weight, go up in weight, and repeat. Do 3 rounds of 20. That is working your legs, your core, and your arms all in one move. There you go. There's your move of the day. What do you call that? A step up curl lunge? Step up curl lunge.